class we are going to discuss the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Last class we discussed the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, where the alkyl group has been substituted on the benzene ring. So please understand it properly. So alkyl group means R, okay? Alkyl means R group. This is alkyl. Acyl group means R C double bond O. So this group is called as acyl group. Okay, so please differentiate it. Don't get confused. Okay. When R is CH3, if it is specifically, if it is mentioned, then we should call this group is called as acetyl. Okay, so you should know the proper nomenclature. Okay, let's go into this reaction. So benzene reacts with acyl chloride. So this is RCOCl is carboxylic acid chloride. Okay, carboxylic acid chloride, or you can call it as acyl chloride also, in the presence of AlCl3. As you know, this will act as a Lewis acid. So finally we will get the acyl group has been substituted on the benzene. Okay, now we discuss the reaction mechanism, how this is going to form. As we know, the first step should be the formation of electrophile, as similar we discussed in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. You see, this one will, the halogen will attack the Lewis acid, it accepts an electron pair, so it forms like this. So like this, and this group will get cleaved. Finally we will get RCO, and this will get the positive charge. So this is called as acylum ion. Now this one is not that much stable. Why? The reason is the carbon is having a sextet. So this lone pair will come here and it forms like this. Now this oxygen will get the positive charge. Now you see, so this is the first form and this is the second form, and the second form is most stable because the carbon and the oxygen both are having octet. But here in the first form, this one, the carbon is having a sextet. That's why the second form is most stable. Okay, and this acylum ion is going to involve in the second step, reacting with this one, or C O, like this, and it attack this carbon, migrate towards the oxygen to stabilize this positive charge. So finally we will get like this. Okay, so this carbon will get positive charge and this will become like this, and wherever this one, the Cl, AlCl3, so this will go and take this hydrogen, and that hydrogen donates its electron, and finally we will get this one. So this is the Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. We are going to discuss one more method, how to introduce this acyl group, this RC double bond O. Previously we used this one acyl chloride, we can use the carboxylic anhydride also. So general structure of carboxylic anhydride is this one. Okay, so this is the carboxylic anhydride. That react with AlCl3 in the same manner like this. So we will get like this intermediate. So it will form, then finally this will get breakdown and this Acylum ion could be generated like this. Okay, so this one of the another reagent is carboxylic anhydride. This can also be used to generate a Acylum ions. This Acylum ion react in the similar manner as we discussed in the acid chloride to get the acylated benzene. Okay, so this is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation. So this is another method. Now we are going to discuss some more important or we can say the applications of the Friedel-Crafts acylation. We learned in the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, this cannot be synthesized because this undergoes the rearrangement reaction. This is not possible, that we discussed. Okay, this is not possible because this carbocation forms and it gives like this. So it gives like this. This isopropyl benzene. Okay, now if you want to synthesize this one, how we can synthesize? Here the Friedel-Crafts acylation method will help us to synthesize this compound. For example, you choose this reagent, you take this acyl chloride like this, okay, and in this case, so what will happen? So we will get this product. So like this we will get. If you do the Clemmensen reduction, that zinc amalgam in the presence of HCl, so this carbonyl group will be reduced to CH2. Okay, so this is the one of the advantage. So you can overcome the Friedel-Crafts alkylation disadvantage by using the Friedel-Crafts acylation method. Okay, so I hope you understand. Just we will summarize it. In the first step, so it forms Acylum ion. So like this, from the acid chloride or carboxylic anhydride, you can use either of the starting material. So you will get Acylum ion. That Acylum ion will attack by the benzene. So and finally we will get this acylated product. Okay, and you can also use this method to overcome the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Okay, I hope you understand this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. See you in the next class. Thank you.